In today's digital age, news spread faster than ever, but as journalists rush to inform the public, a difficult question remains: where do we draw the line between individuals' right to privacy and the public rights to know? When does journalism serve the public interest, and when does it become an invasion of privacy? Privacy refers to a person's right to control personal information and live free from unnecessary media intrusion. Public interest, on the other hand, refers to information that benefits society, such as exposing corruption, abuse of power, or threats from public safety. Ethical journalism lies in balancing these two rights. In the Kenyan case of Stephen Muriithi and Zachary, the High Court ruled that publishing private information without consent violates the right to privacy protected under Article 31 of the Constitution. The court emphasized that public curiosity does not equal public interest. Even when the public is interested, journalists must justify why private information is necessary. Contrast this with the UK landmark case, Campbell versus Mirror Group newspaper. Even though the Mirror told the truth about Naomi Campbell's addiction, the court ruled they went too far. Why? Because the details of her medical treatment and the covert photos were breached too far. This created the reasonable expectation of privacy test. Even in public moments, remain private. In Kenya and globally, media houses have been criticized for publishing graphic images of accident victims, revealing identities of sexual assault survivors, and exposing medical information. While such stories attract attention, they often cause long-term emotional harm and violate ethical journalism standards. Journalists face daily ethical dilemmas: speed versus accuracy, profit versus ethic, and audience demand versus human dignity. Ethical journalism requires restraint and careful judgment before publishing sensitive information.
If you're out in public doing whatever you're doing, then there is no expectation of privacy. People can photograph or videotape what you're doing. Now, they can't come over to your house and stick a camera in your window because you're in your home and you have an expectation of privacy there. So under the law, you're protected. But in public, you do not have an expectation of privacy. And if you're in public and you're talking to a friend and they can eavesdrop and listen to what you're saying, you don't have an expectation of privacy.
Media houses that violate privacy laws face legal consequences, including lawsuits, compensation claim, court injunction, and loss of credibility. These consequences serve as a reminder that ethical journalism protects both the public and profession. Journalism plays a pivotal role in society, but it must be practiced responsibly. Respecting privacy while serving the public interest is not just a limitation, it's the foundation of ethical journalism. The true power of the media lies not in publishing everything, but in publishing what truly matters.